how you can become an Hostinger affiliate. So anyone can be an affiliate in Hostinger. All you're gonna have to do is to just enter your hpanel.hostinger.com, your account if your hosting or domain is active. And here is this section, refer and earn up to amount here. So click it, and here you will find that you can invite friends and earn up to some amount of dollars. And here is your link. You don't have to apply to a Hostinger affiliate program. You just have to copy this link and, for example, put it into video description. And as you can see, you will earn 20% and friends will save 20% of the amount, for example, of the hosting. So here are the steps. You send an invite, they buy a plan, and you get paid. It's very simplified. More than 100,000 people referred their friends. So I will let you the link with my 20% discount. You can apply with it, and then you can send someone another your link and you will get 20% for any completed purchase. So it's that simple. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.